Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to make a scientific poster using Canva. Scientific posters are one of the most common ways researchers, medical students, academics, and professionals present research findings at conferences, symposiums, and academic events. A good scientific poster is not just about making something look attractive. It's about organizing complex information clearly so people can understand your research quickly while walking past your presentation. Many beginners overload posters with text or ignore visual hierarchy, which makes even strong research difficult to follow. A well-designed poster helps viewers understand the research quickly, identify key findings, and follow the information logically. A scientific poster should guide the eye naturally instead of overwhelming the viewer. Start by logging into your Canva account. Once inside the dashboard, you can begin creating your design. Then click Create. This opens Canva's design creation tools where you can start different types of projects. In the search bar, type Posters, then click on the result. Why this matters. Choosing the poster format automatically gives you a large design canvas optimized for poster layouts. Once selected, Canva opens a blank poster workspace. What you'll see here. Inside the editor, you'll have access to templates, text tools, images, graphics, layout controls, color editing tools. Go to the template search bar and search for Scientific Poster. Why templates help? Scientific poster templates already include structured sections that make organizing information much easier. Scientific posters must balance visual clarity, readability, and information density. Templates help prevent disorganized layouts. Select the scientific poster template you want. What happens next? The template loads onto your canvas and becomes fully editable. Now customize the poster however you want. What you can edit. You can add research title, author names, institutional affiliations, research data, charts and graphs, figures and tables, and references as well. Important design advice. Avoid huge blocks of text, tiny font sizes, too many colors, and overcrowded visuals. Once finished, click Share. Now click Download. For the file type, select PDF print. Why PDF print matters. PDF print provides higher image quality, better resolution, sharper text, and professional print formatting. Under Color Profile, choose CMYK. What CMYK means? CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. It's the standard color system used in professional printing. Finally, click Download. What happens next? Your scientific poster downloads as a print-ready professional PDF file. To summarize, making a scientific poster in Canva begins by logging into your Canva account and clicking the Create button. After searching for posters and opening the poster canvas, you search for scientific poster templates and choose one that fits your research style. Once the template loads, you can fully customize the content, layout, text, and visuals to present your research clearly. After finishing the design, you click Share, then Download, and select PDF print as the file type. Finally, choosing the CMYK color profile ensures better color accuracy for professional printing before downloading the final poster. And that's how to make a scientific poster using Canva. The biggest thing people underestimate is that scientific posters are communication tools, not decoration projects. Clarity matters far more than making the design flashy. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.